Located within feet of the picturesque monastery grounds, this lovely colonial is set on an oversized lot surrounded by low stone walls. Gather friends and family in the living room around the wood-burning fireplace with an intricate marble mantel, or host meals in the open dining room. The bright kitchen enjoys stainless steel appliances and a large center island, and adjoins a sunny mudroom that can be used as a casual dining space. Completing the level is a large family room with exposed beams running across the vaulted ceiling and a convenient half bath. Step out to the stone patio and dine al fresco while you look out over the expansive yard with a lovely wooded backdrop. The upper level of the home features 3 generous bedrooms and a full bath with a subway tile floor. Being so close to the monastery grounds gives you great access to the scenic walking trails and the town's library located within the building. You can explore Diamond Hill Park or visit the nearby ice cream machine and Diamond Hill Vineyards. Shop for locally grown produce at the nearby farms, including Phantom Farms and Franklin Farm. Cumberland is a wonderful, quiet community less than 15 miles from downtown Providence and its acclaimed theaters and art. For more information, please visit the property website or call Casey Fava at area code 401-424-4400.